Today we're going to be cooking one of our gourmet recipe, a real steak lover's treat. So this beautiful beef ribeye with zucchini gratin au Gruyere with a Dijon mustard sauce. Let's get started. Remove the steaks from the fridge 30 minutes before cooking. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Wash and slice the zucchini finely. Peel and slice the shallots. Peel and mince the garlic. Rinse and dry the rocket. Place the zucchini slices in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. Add the dried parsley and minced garlic. Mix well with clean hands. Heat a drizzle of oil in a pan over medium heat, then add the shallots and fry for 5 to 6 minutes until slightly softened. Season with salt and pepper. Add the shallots to a small baking dish. Top with a thin layer of grated Gruyere. Top this layer with a layer of zucchini slices. Top the zucchini with the remaining Gruyere and then bake in the oven for 20 minutes. You can add the grill at the end to get a nice brown color on the cheese. Pat the steaks dry with kitchen paper. Heat a large pan with a drizzle of olive oil and half the butter over high heat. Once hot, add the steaks and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until cooked to your liking. Then transfer them to a plate and leave them to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Once rested, slice and season generously with salt and pepper. Meanwhile, return the same pan to a medium-low heat. Don't wash it. Add the mustard, sour cream and the remaining butter. Cook for 2 minutes, making sure to release any bits that may have stuck to the bottom of the pan with a spatula. Season with salt and pepper. Serve the steak with the gratin and the Dijon sauce on the side. Garnish with the rocket leaves. Bon appétit! So this was a really nice recipe to cook. It's very fast and it's a real showstopper. It looks amazing on a plate. I can't wait to dig my teeth into it. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more similar kinds of videos, subscribe to our channel. You'll find more recipes as well here. But for now, bon appétit!